We have been awarded the Bronze Award and are currently working towards our silver.
Why is it important to learn Welsh?
If someone says Bwrdd, you can say Bwrdd back.
It's an important part of our history.
We live in Wales. Why do we enjoy learning Welsh?
You could teach other people how to speak Welsh. There's games on the iPad that can help you learn Welsh.
Is it an exciting language to learn?
At home I speak Polish with my mum.
My mum thinks Welsh is an important part of our education.
Croeso I Gwenty's Coed. Dewch i weld beth mae dysgu Gymraeg yn ei olygu i ni. Cyfleoedd newydd fel stalio yn y canacto am yr Eisteddfod Arian.
Dwi'n siarad Sbaeneg a Saesneg.
Dwi'n siarad Pwleg a Saesneg.
Rydw i'n siarad Cydysgrifennu a Saesneg. Roeddwn i'n nerfus am dysgu Cymraeg.
A rydyn ni'n cael a lot o hwyl.
Ac wedi gwneud ffrindiau newydd.
Trwy darllen, siarad a chwarae.
Dewch i ymuno gyda hwyl, mae Cymraeg i'n barn.
Castle stand tall, with history embedded in the walls. Ymhlith mynyddoedd, rugged mountains, grass-green hills, cennin Pedyr. We have pride in our country, pride in our nation. Hendeidiau, Cymraeg ydyn ni. Bachder. To be born